Hi, I'm Vasily Kirillov. I've been working as a software engineer for the last 10 years, and now I help businesses use AI in a practical way. This is not about hype. It is about reducing manual work and making day-to-day operations run faster. My approach is simple. If the same actions keep happening on a computer again and again, it is probably worth reviewing for optimization. Many businesses still rely on small manual actions that repeat every day. A person reads an email, copies details into a spreadsheet, sends a template reply, updates a calendar, or moves the same information into one more system. Each action looks small, so it does not feel expensive. But once it repeats across days, weeks, and months, it turns into delays, routine mistakes, and hidden costs. That is where practical AI starts making sense. Let us take a simple example. Imagine a booking workflow. A request arrives by email, someone reads the message, extracts the important details, copies them into Google Sheets or a CRM, and then sends a reply using a template. This is not some unusual case. This is how many businesses still work. And this is exactly the kind of workflow that should be reviewed for optimization. When AI is connected to the right tools, it can do more than answer questions in chat. It can read incoming requests, extract the needed fields, write structured information into the right place, prepare a reply, and leave only the exceptions for a person to review. The point is not to remove people from the process completely. The point is to remove repetitive manual steps from the process. That is a much more practical way to use AI in business. The result is simple. You reduce copy-paste work, you respond faster, you lower the chance of routine errors, and your team spends more time on decisions, edge cases, and customer communication that actually needs a human. The best way to start is small. We don't begin with a huge transformation project. We begin with a small pilot around one painful process. We define what comes in, what the correct output should be, and what part should stay under human review. Then we build something practical that can handle the routine part reliably. The goal of the first step is proof of value. If one workflow gets faster, cleaner, and cheaper, then we know where to expand next. If one process in your business came to mind while watching this, that is probably the right place to start. Send it to me, and I will help you understand whether it is a good candidate for AI, what the first pilot could look like, and what result you should expect first. You can reach out through vasylykirillov.com or email me at vasylykirillov@gmail.com. Start with one workflow, get one real win, then expand from there.